Hello everyone, hope everyone's doing well. This is David, aka Fred Sanford, and for those that do not know, I did a short video a short time ago showing the 12 boxes full of vintage sewing machine parts that I just purchased. And I just realized underneath that right here is box number 13. So there's actually 13 boxes. In the last video, I requested for someone to pick a box. Thank you, Susan, for picking box number 9. Right over here. Oh, I just set up these temporary tables. They're just temporary tables, folding tables I'm going to use to reveal all these boxes. And coming in at 16.6 pounds is small box number 9. I'm going to set this phone down for a quick second as I pick it up. We'll use this. Let's start with this table. Alright. Here she is, box number 9. How's it look? Look good so far? Alright. Try not to make this too long. We're just going to tilt it on its side and let some of the parts out. There she is. Box number 9. Holy cow. Yeah. Break out the stronger glasses. This one, it fell off, but look at that. There is something in here from National Rotary from 1892. Some of these parts, look at this one. I can't really read it. Some are tags. They got a date on it, 4/1944. Wow. So we got rufflers. We'll just start lining these up. I bet you we pull out some of the rufflers so we can see a little better. Let's just go ahead and check out the whole box. Keep in mind, this is just one box out of 13. Amazing. Simply amazing. This is exactly what the showroom needed. I hope I could sell a lot of these parts and help a lot of people out. I believe these are to like Kenmore and White, the adapters, if anybody needs them. I'm going to be sorting for, I was going to say days, but it may be months. Weeks, months. But I'm pretty good in sorting stuff. Look at that. I already got a pile going. A bunch of these. Not that I needed more of them. I have a lot of them. A lot of those. I just increased my inventory quite a bit. This is the genuine. See the Singer number on there? Adjustable cording, piping. They come in narrow too. I'm just looking for any unusual feet. So look at that. There's a, I know that one. That's actually a, even though it's plastic, it's a genuine Singer part. It's a quilting foot for a slant model. See that? Them slant model parts sometimes, or attachments, are hard to get sometimes. Let's take a look while we're at it. Let me see. We're gonna try to keep the videos around 8 minutes. We're at 5. Got plenty of those. See if that might be the only quilting foot in here. I know they're not that common. Crazy, look at this. A lot of the tags fell off. A lot of the tags fell off. Not a lot of them are tagged, but it's just cool to see. I mean, how some of these got the original, not the original, but the tags that were tied on there, who knows how many years back. They're discoloring, so them tags have been on there a while. Let's see how much, 6.5 minutes. We'll let it go another minute as I search through here. So obviously this box is nothing but attachments. You know what I did needed? Some roller feet. I get people requesting roller feet, and I was out of stock. So how lucky. I was out of stock, or really close to being out of stock. Any more roller feet? Oh, they're kind of hard to find too. That is a Slant Zigzag foot. I don't know if it's a genuine. Looks like an aftermarket, but it sure looks like Slant to me. See that? Looks Slant. I believe that would be a Zigzag foot. Here's a low Zigzag. Plenty of zigzags. I know there's zigzag. I know sometimes these point up a little more. Sometimes they're a little shorter. I'm not a seamstress, so I don't know exactly what the advantages or disadvantages of having a little longer one, or ones that curl up. Or is that just the way they're made? I don't know. Plenty of straight stitch feet of all kinds. It's about 8 minutes, so there you have it. Plenty of attachments. Anyone that purchases 10 or more will get a free zipper bag. Let's sit around these with zipper bags. Oh, actually, those are for bobbins. You can't really fit 10. You can't really fit. We have the ones for attachments over here, which I better get a hold of the wholesaler. So I've been giving a lot of them away. High quality, very high quality. People love them. Have that, no complaints. Very strong bags to hold all your attachments. So if you like to help the showroom, get some attachments. Think I might have to lower my prices. Thanks for watching. Many more boxes.